got dressed just to sit in the house. Yes, I'm ghetto, word to Geppetto. Plus I'm Leto, where's my stiletto?
Baby, want no smoke with me. Hood, but I'm classy. Rich, but I'm ratchet. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet.
I'm a boss, I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Nigga got this shit from Tina. I'm a savage.
Hey y'all, what's good? What's poppin'? It's Jaterra. And if you don't know, now you know. So be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. In today's video, I showed y'all a couple of different styles and how to keep up with your braids as well, like different products and stuff. Styles and techniques you can do with your braids. These are super duper cute and fun. I haven't worn these styles out because I'm a little, I don't know, I gotta get out of my comfort zone and whatnot, but they're really cute and some of them are very adorable. So if you want to see how I got this style and more, then keep watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Mwah.
So to keep up with my braids, I use the Narubi hair mousse. I'm already experiencing new growth, which sucks, but I mean it's a good thing, but this helps my hair stay intact. So I put this all over my hair. Don't waste on yourself like me. I'm definitely a klutz. But yeah, if you check out my braiding tutorial with these knotless braids, the description box should have the link to Amazon for this mousse. But yeah, I put this on my hair like every 3 to 4 days just to keep my hair together in the front. And then after that, I also go in with the Made Until Shine On spray. Y'all, this smells like, it's basically perfume for your hair. It smells so good and it gives your braids a nice sheen. So here's my edge brush I got from the beauty supply store for like $2, and these are the products that I use on the regular for my edges. Shine and Jam is really, really good. It got a okay hold, but it's not gonna hold all day, but it don't make your shit flake, and that's what I like about it. But Eco, on the other hand, definitely makes your hair flake after a while, which is irritating. So I'm like, what? Do I want my hair to flake or do I want a good hold? Like, what's up? Got to Be does the same thing as Eco. It flakes. But like Shine and Jam leaves your edges looking nice and soft and cute, but it don't hold all day. So like, I just can't win. So today I went in with Eco. It really just depends on how I'm feeling and how long I want my edges to look good. So yeah, another thing about Eco, it's like when your face is already beat, Eco and Got To Be moves your makeup. I don't know if my makeup don't be set well enough or what, but it moves my makeup and I hate that. But Shine and Jam, the shit don't last long enough. So it's like, girl, I can't win. Pick whatever edge control you want to use, because I be over here struggling. So once you have your edges to the way you like them, I get some Got To Be free spray and spray them simply because I don't want them to move. Like, I'm filming, I want to take pictures later. I don't want my edges to move anywhere. So once I do that, I set it with a silk or satin scarf for a couple of minutes until I feel like they've been set. So also, I just wanted to show y'all how my braids are looking now. So I'm gonna hit my shit with the zoom, okay? Like, my stuff, like my braids look really good. You don't see no hair coming out, and that's simply because I took my time when I did my braids. Now my edges are sliding out in the front because my hair too soft up there, so I'm probably gonna redo my front in a little bit. But yeah, this is how your edges should look once you're done applying everything. So let's just move on into the first style, okay? This style is dead ass cute as shit to me. Like, it's so cute. I had to try it. I've seen it on a lot of people, but I've never done it myself. But basically, it's the swoop bang type of look. I'm gonna show y'all a couple of ways to do the swoop bang. You can do it with your hair out, with your hair in a ponytail, or your hair with a bun. So you're just gonna need a couple of bobby pins for this style, and you'll probably need some hair ties for the styles I'm gonna show later. So basically all I'm doing is gathering some braids in the front. I gotta play around with them, twist them, make them lay on my forehead how I want them to look, and then you're just gonna pin them in the back. So yeah, just keep watching me and I'm sure you'll understand what I'm doing. So this is basically style number 1. Comment down below what y'all think it's given. I feel as though it gives simple, cute. It's a little elegant in my opinion. It's chill, but like it makes you look put together basically. In a second I'm gonna show y'all a different way to do it. Just so like the braids are a little bit more neater in the front and they really won't go nowhere and you won't see it because I've decided to tuck them towards the back of my head. Which I feel as though this one frames my face and like makes my head shape look normal. So I like this style a little bit better than the first. So yeah, same exact style as number 1, but just a different way to do it. It's super cute and it's really perfect if you still want to look like that girl but you want to make sure that your hair is out of your face. Like this is perfect for that. So yeah, for style number 2, technically I'm just gonna pull my hair up to a high pony and keep the swoop bang because like I've really been feeling this look lately and I wanted to try with my braids. So whenever I do a ponytail, I like to take some of the hair and wrap it around the elastic band so that's not being shown. So I still do that when it comes to braids. And this style was super duper cute. Like it's just, I don't know what it gives off, but I fucking love it. Okay, it's probably my favorite. Ow, cause what? Cause who? You that bitch. I thought you knew. Like, nah, let me stop playing. I be having too much fun. But anyways, moving on to style number 3. I think we're on number 3. I don't know. What you're gonna do is take the hair or the braids that you pin to the back and just wrap that around a ponytail, right? Then you're gonna take the rest of the pony and put it in a top knot. Let me warn you, this bun is gonna be huge because I have a lot of braids. They're 84 inches, so this is definitely not a style you want to wear for every day because your hair gonna hurt, baby. Like, these braids are heavy, and pulling them all the way to the top of your head like this is definitely gonna cause tension. So I won't recommend having it be your everyday style, but it's real easy. So all you need is to get a rubber band or a hair tie and just put them in place, and it's so cute. Like, you can't tell me this style not cute as shit. Like, look, for a photo shoot, like, this is fire. This is cute. Period. So style number 4 is probably the simplest style of them all. It's basically a high pony, and like I said earlier, I'm gonna wrap the band with the braids so you can't see it. You can wear this style anywhere, in my opinion. You can wear this to an interview, you can wear this on a night out, you can wear this to the grocery store, you can wear this to your baby house. Like, bars, bitch. Okay, you get my vibe though. And one thing I love about the braids is that they was already down to my ass, so even when you pull them up this high, they're still down my back, so we still got inches, baby. But anyways, the next style, I don't know what number we on, but I'm basically just pulling all the braids into a high pony. Not a high pony, a high bun, okay? Once again, don't wear this every day. Your head is going to be sore, but it's cute regardless. So I wouldn't even call this a style because it's literally just my braids now in the middle part. But I purposely did a middle part when I was doing my braids because I was like, maybe one day I would just want them to hang down, but I never did it. But they look cute. So like when I redo the front of my hair, I'm probably going to wear this style because it's cute and it's simple and it's bomb. I love a middle part when I got weaves, so I feel like I love a middle part when I got braids. But yeah, if you want to see how I made sure I had a middle part and a cute side part and a cute deep part, then head back to my knotless braid tutorial. The link should be in the description box below. This style is too fun for me to wear out. I'll probably only do this if I'm filming or doing a photo shoot. But basically, it's 2 high ponytails with 2 braids out at the top for a little bit of pizzazz. You feel me? A little razzle dazzle, if you will. So yeah, I didn't bother with wrapping the band with braids just because I was only doing it for this video. So yeah. You guessed it, we're gonna turn these ponies into buns, bitch, okay? Still a different, cute, fun style. Basically, this whole video is giving editorial looks, in my opinion, so. So y'all, I'm about to vent to y'all real quick in the middle of a braiding tutorial. I don't care, but basically my camera stopped recording during this style. This style is simple. All the hair is pulled over to one side. You braid it down. You wrap the ends with a rubber band. Simple, cute. You can wear this to church. You can wear this to the grocery store. You can wear this to work. It's real cute and it could be professional, right? Alright, boom. But basically, give me a thumbs up if y'all feel as though this video was clear and quality, because I recorded on my camera. Usually I record on my phone, but my camera gives off better images because it's a fucking camera, duh. But it does dumb stuff like stop recording in the middle of my daggone video, and that's not cute. But anyways, this style here is a twist in the front of my head. You basically twist all the front braids down to one side, twist it all the way down, put a rubber band at the end, and wear your hair out like this. And it's cute. Like, this came out cuter than I thought it was. Like, this shit fire. But yeah, let me stop ranting. And basically, if that style was a little too boring for you, you could pull the twist to the back and pull some hair from the other side to the back, get a rubber band and twist it, and basically it keeps your braids out of your face, but the twist basically frames your face, and it's cute either way. So yeah, that really wraps up all the styles, y'all. I think this is the last one.
Okay, you guys, so that really wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was probably short, but I just wanted to show you a couple of different styles that you can do in your own time. If you have braids, twists, anything, you can also do this with your real hair or extensions, weed, bundles. You can do it all, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stop watching my videos without subscribing, okay? I was looking at my analytics and whatnot, and a lot of y'all be fucking with the kid, but not enough to subscribe. That's petty. That's childish. Change your ways. Let's be better people, okay? So be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video, okay? Bye, mamas. Mwah.
I know I'm all the guys they've been talking about the way I do it, why you. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the